Introducing Streamer into mainstream classrooms at Cantell School, a case study. Streamer is a specialist speech-to-text and text-to-speech application. Each user has their own web space to keep, store and manage their own transcripts. The transcripts can be annotated to support later learning. Automatic translation can take place seamlessly into a range of languages. And text-to-speech can feature instant two-way translation to support bilingual learners. Cantell is an oversubscribed inner-city state secondary school in Southampton with over 1,000 students on roll. Microlink has supported Cantell School with the introduction of Streamer, trialling its application in mainstream lessons, supporting identified learners and developing effective practice with a small group of staff and students. In this clip, the teacher's voice is picked up by a headset mic and the student immediately sees the transcription on a tablet computer. One of the first children to benefit had recently arrived from Holland with a very pronounced hearing impairment that required the use of a cochlear implant. The school Senko is already seeing an impact on learning, not only with this particular student, but for those with English as an additional language.
The student that has a hearing impairment, it's been wonderful for her. She's much more confident, she's come alive a little bit, it's boosted her self-esteem, whereas previously she would miss most of what the teacher was saying. She now is able, as she's quite academically able and conscientious, she's able to read it back and therefore understand what the task was, understand what the learning was, and is making dramatic progress really quickly. With the students that have got English as an additional language, because they can now read it in their own language rather than sitting at the back of the classroom not really understanding what's going on, they are much more engaged, they are able to answer more questions, they are being more verbal potentially in the class as well. They are accessing more of the curriculum and basically completing more work, but alongside that also learning and developing their skills.
She sees Streamer being used to good effect with a larger group of students, some who have autism and some who have receptive language difficulties. Cantell continues with developments.